कर सकता है तो मैं क्यों नहीं, क्या है उनमें ऐसा जो मुझ में नहीं। अगर कोई कर सकता है तो मैं क्यों नहीं, क्या है उनमें ऐसा जो मुझ में नहीं। झांक ले अपने भीतर खुद से आ पूछ ले, कैसी चाहिए जिंदगी खुली आंखों से देख ले। मुट्ठियों को भींच गए सांसों को खींच।
I am Pooja Parashar from Saraswati Vidya Mandir Senior Secondary, Khairmat, Aligarh. Here I am with class 9D, and 9D we have done and group discussions between girls and boys. The teams, there are 10 members in girls teams, and as same there are 10 members in boys team. The captain of boys team is Mr. Yash. Yes, stand up. And the captain of girls team is Miss Bhumika. Bhumika, stand up. And here we have discussions, group discussions in the topic which education is best related to chapter 1, the one they had in our English behind book. So the topic boys was selected was
future education.
future, and girls your topic is
Present education.
present education. So down please. So we have suppose our teams, our topic, which education is best, future education or present education. Okay. So first of all we will start from the team of boys team, and starting from the captain boys team, Mr. Yash. So Yash, please break the ice.
Future education. Future education is very important in our life because present education does not ensure people to do things very well. In future education, there are robotic teachers. There are so many things which provide humans for the education properly, and we can say that future education can help very much according to now, because in future education robotic teachers are personal for everyone, and they can explain whole subject to a student, and they can understand very politely and very alternatively.
Yes.
Future education. In future education, the teacher teach will whatever is given or assigned, whether a student is younger or older. In present education, the teacher will teach you according to the student after observing
This is
and
not the thing which
understanding
you are
the
saying.
student.
In future education, we can assign our robot as the age, and we can assign that the child is 6 years old. Then the education will robot give is also according to 6-year age. This is not the which you are saying.
Yes.
We study in chapter 1 that Margie's mechanical teacher are understand feeling of Margie's.
No, they can understand the feelings because the robots are made by humans, and humans can provide that features which can understand the feelings of humans. So the robot is under humans, so and can understand the feelings.
We feel limited education in AI, but our teachers give knowledge of their feelings, and many types of feelings they provide of feelings, and we have a limited education in AI, but the human teachers give many knowledge about the topic.
The AI can also give the top many education according to subjects, because AI is the best thing which is used for education. AI can tell you everything according to from everywhere. So AI is best.
Yes.
In our eyes, and that there are mechanical gadgets which is used to studies, but they can harm our eyes, and it can in future the students are stuck to tablets and laptops for studies, but in present they can have fun during studies in present.
Very good.
But in futures we can use the many gadgets for protect our eyes, like glasses and protective eye lenses.
And we can also play outside, not in study time. There are so many time left. We can also play at that time also in future.
In present, we have opportunity to face-to-face instruction with the teacher and other pupils and peers.
Robotic teacher also have a face, so we can understand from it also.
But the mechanical teachers have no emotions and they lost their memory.
Robotic cannot lose their memory. Their memory can be recharged again and again. And the method which you are saying about that, they have not any emotions. The robots are made by humans. Humans can add emotions in robots by many methods. So robots can also understand the feelings of humans.
What when the robotic teachers right now work properly?
Then we have many options.
There is not to carry such books. All books are on only a telebook, and we have not to go to school and conserve our time in study.
Yourself sitting in your classroom and the robotic teacher teaching you, is not it weird?
No, it is
No
not weird.
classmates.
It is not weird. Then in future we can also maintain the habit of teaching with that teacher. And
She said, in the classroom we got a such type of disturbance, but in the future time we have our separate room, so we can study alone. And there are teachers which are flashed on the screen, and we can study. And the hour are flexible. Whenever we want we do study.
Human teachers can understand our feelings, but robot teachers cannot understand our feelings.
I told many times we can put.
As he said, robot teacher did not have any feeling, but we are human, we made a robot, so we can add such type of feeling in the robot, so robot can understand the feeling of the human.
In future education, the teacher give homework and assignment. I do with homework assignment with own and with the help of mechanical teacher. But in present education, the teacher give you a homework and assignment. I will do own and with the help of friends, family member and teachers. So we know about question and other things.
Robots can also do the work accurately, whereas compared to the human teachers can do the work for a long time, whereas a robotic teacher can do work quickly.
They can teach us as quickly as they can, but we can't study that our energy is accurate to the.
Who is saying that you have to study all day?
No.
Study at the time. Then the robot teacher can tell you whenever you want. So you don't have to study all the day.
They teach us quickly, but we can't.
So we can slow the speed.
Applications which can be upgraded in future, like ChatGPT. This time we can use in our study to understand briefly a thing, or a definition and question marks and other things, or
The network issues. We see that corona
Very
time.
nice. Very nice.
We see in the corona time. We want to online study. It was harm to the studies for it. Network issues was not able to on every time.
It is also.
As you said, network issue, and there are so many towers placed on the field by field, and there is no network issue, and there are 5G at least, so there is no network problem.
And today humans in understanding well education, because there is so much technology and Google वगैरह, and we can understand very concentrated. In present there we have to go in schools, and it wastes our time. But in future the teacher in our house, and which can teach us very quickly and easily.
When we study from computer, there is a distract like Instagram, Facebook, many other things, and we can waste our time for our fun. In school, we can fun with our friends. Then why we cannot waste our time for this?
There are so many options.
we can control our mind, that no one could disturb us from our work.
And there are also in settings we can off the notifications, and from which we cannot get the notification of Instagram, Facebook, Twitter वगैरह, and which can help us in concentration and studies. And we can also download these apps in our phones and not in our study computers.
But in school, there is no phone and no distraction from this.
There is distraction in our
As
house
you
also.
said, there is no distraction in a school. Who said when there are a lot of classmates who make a lot of disturbance, which causes our study. And in the present, we have our separate rooms where we study, and we are telling you.
We have a distractions from our classmates, not from Instagram or Facebook or WhatsApp, etc.
We can delete Instagram, Facebook, Twitter to study properly. Who study properly, they can also become very intelligent. They does not need anything. There are so many students which are studying in school and are doing something small tasks. So we have to control our mind and we can delete these social media apps to concentrate on studies.
Ma'am, as you said, there are so much of Instagram, Twitter with distraction. Ma'am, there is a student who want to study who does not use this type of apps. He only concentrate on study.
At the corona time, we are study on phones, online classes, but they have many notifications and types of distraction at home, network issues.
Let's close notifications. And in future, there will be so much high speed network because in present there is 5G and in future there can be 10G, 12G and or high network.
In the future we have book for study, but in the present we have book for study, but in the future we have gadget for study, which can lead us for the health issues and eyesight issues.
Eyesight issue, we have lenses.
But we can use the gadget on its limit time. We cannot use it day by day.
At this period, we have eye safe formula, means eye comforters and laptops and mobiles. We can on them, and in the future we have upgraded versions of these stuff.
Technical teachers, but they can't understand our feelings as well. But a human teacher can understand our feelings and teach us very religious things. Whatever they know.
The human teachers treated a student like their own child. The feelings of teachers was very precious to the students.
Mechanical devices and gadgets are destroy the nature.
Yes, very nice.
And we needed the human teacher because we discussing with human teacher any doubt, any question, etc. for anything.
The network destroy the bird's mind and distract the birds. And birds are useful for us because birds eat the insect in crops and fields.
Except studies, you can share many things with your teachers, friends,
But while studies, we can share our thoughts and ideas with our teachers and friends, and they can also share this with us.
Now I can tell about
in future there is a mechanical teacher and in present there is a human teacher. A mechanical teacher cannot be replaced the position of the human teacher because a human teacher is only not for teach or explain the chapters but also understand the mindset of the student. But robotic teachers are not able to understand the mindset of the student.
robotic teachers are able to because we can put many functions in robots that they can understand feelings and they can also change the mindset of humans and robots can also understand the feelings if we put many things in humans.
But
As we see that the book in present times the book is made up of papers, and for making these papers the trees are cut it down. In future the trees are not cut it down, so it would develop our environment.
ma'am,
At the present, the weather is very wet, so we can't go to the special building of school. And at future, weather is bad, so we can study at home with mechanical teacher and laptops.
Very nice.
In future, the robots replace all the places of humans, so they can also be students.
We are feed the feelings in artificial intelligence, but the human teachers feel real feelings about it heart, with their heart, not about their feeling.
They also have art of mechanical things. They can also understand.
Not about iron and steel.
Network
Real
destruction.
heart is made of real. Iron and steel have not a feelings, heart, emotions.
There is not iron and steel which is made up of. The robots are made up of many things which can
Iron,
understand
steel,
them.
irons, etc.
As you said, human
There are
Not
so
about-
many parts. You have not studied.
Not about the human feelings. Human feelings are
Because human teachers
Human
have
can
heart.
put in robots to understand the feelings.
Not a mechanical heart.
we put human feelings in the robots, but the real feeling of teachers in their heart, not the robotic system.
Human are made robots and we can put all the program feelings on the artificial intelligence.
Sometimes robotics are wrong. Sometimes
If everyone only
Sometimes teachers
education has students to develop present school education helps students to develop discipline, time management and sense of responsibility.
Yes, sense of responsibility.
We need the social and psychological process for the child.
Yes.
There is a bond between a student and a human teacher, but there is no bond between a robotic teacher and a student.
Very nice.
In future there are mechanical teachers, but they teaches the limited languages which are feed in him. But our human teachers can teach us.
Teacher has lost their memory, but a human teacher never lost their memory.
The memory can be
Refeeded. You said refeeded, but lost their memory. But human teacher never lost their
in an
memory.
accident. Human teacher can also lose their memory.
In India, most many
So, students, you have seen our group discussions between girls and boys of 90, and I feel that you have enjoyed a lot. And the education in audience, anybody wants to share your opinions? Which education is best? Future education or today's present education? In audience, which education is best?
Present education is best because the unemployment in humans is harmful for human, and when the human become harmed, who make the robots, who make the AI in future.
Yes, very nice. Both teams are very good. The education, future education is also good because we have the new technology and we have in 22nd centuries. We are entering in 22nd century, but it is also true that a mechanical teacher is not going to replace a human teacher, because human teacher understand your feelings, your supports. They teach you ethics, morals, and you have developed so many activities in school, and in a classroom you have not doing this types of things. So, shall we finish our group discussions? All the viewers who watch this video in my YouTube channel, Paras EdTech. So we meet again. Jai Shri.